Why do 60% of new moms experience hair loss? Today, we're diving into a game-changing solution. So I'm John, and let's talk about that dreaded hair loss and baldness. If you're struggling with your hair, especially after giving birth, listen up. I've found something amazing called Folicrex. It's a natural formula that helped me regrow my hair and keep it healthy. Folicrex works by tackling the bad microbiome in your system, cleaning it out to stop suffocating your scalp cells. Once it kicks in, say goodbye to hair loss and hello to new, strong hair. No more split ends, weak strands, or tangles. What's great about Folicrex is that it's packed with natural ingredients. No side effects, no GMOs, allergens, or dairy. It's safe for anyone 18 and older. Just remember, natural goodness takes a bit of time, so be patient. If you're ready to give it a try, head to the official website linked below to ensure you get the real deal. Plus, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee. Thousands are seeing incredible results, and you could be next. So why not give Folicrex a shot? Drop any questions in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and here's to healthy, happy hair. Take care.